We got them in hand, and I want to know this whole, oh, the quality ain't there. No. I don't want to hear any excuses on this one. I got them straight from the Sneakers app. Yes, I actually got them through the Sneakers app. I actually hit on them. Let's just say, finally. I don't want to hear no excuses when I open this box up and see the whole quality control that everybody's talking about. Because honestly, I'm already getting a little fed up with the whole quality control problem and what everybody's talking about. So let's see what's inside of this. But first, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Primo Cruz here reporting. Whoosh. Once again, before I even start off the show today, I want to give a real big shout out to two special individuals that unfortunately the whole video that I took of undestocking these shoes, but the whole video went to shambles, and I did promise these two ladies that I was going to give them a shout out on last Monday's episode. But hey guys, that's the way technology works. It is what it is. But at least I got some pictures with them. I got to save the pictures. So real big shout out to Paola. What a wonderful individual, a great-hearted human being that wishes people the best. I'm talking about, we had a conversation there for a few minutes. We actually conversed, and I'm telling you, there's still great people out in this world. I still wish the best for everybody and have a lot of knowledge. Always listen. That's the key to everything. Always listen. And the second person is Dora, another big-hearted person. And honestly, guys, I was treated like gold in this place. Couldn't get better attention. The place was actually Ripley's, believe it or not, in Orlando. And I was doing the undestocking of the Paras. Yes, those back there. I put them through hell and back, and the whole video went to shambles. I'll try to save the most as possible of the video, and I will try to bring it to Where Your Sneakers episode. I don't remember, but hey, that's the way the cookie crumbles. But anyways, so once again, real big shout out to both of them. Much love, much respect, always wishing you the best. And now let's get into these bad boys right here that comes with a crazy face.
Run.
You guys already know the box that honestly I'm already getting fed up with reviewing boxes. As a matter of fact, like, things are changing up around this joint. I am not reviewing no more boxes unless the box is special. It has to be in a special box. It has to have something out of the ordinary. The last video, the one of the Wu-Tangs, yes, that one ticked me off. And you know what? I don't want to talk about boxes anymore. So you guys already know the box. But just in case, it comes with this right here. Yes, the nice little... I totally forgot the name of what this is called. The pamphlet thing. And like I always say, take care of your boxes. Now getting into these beauties. Or are they a beauty? Maybe they suck ass. I don't know. You know, let's take a look at them first. Out of what I see off the rip is the black leather, this nice tumbled leather. I'm talking about, it's pretty good quality, guys. And it's not the craziest or the softest, but it is very nice. We're talking about, you know, it has this plushness to it. Yes, guys, I have not analyzed this sneaker at all. I did the unboxing and I did not check it out at all. I put them right back in the box to be as unbiased as possible when it comes to reviewing the sneaker. These sneakers are one of my grails, and I want to keep the assessment clear. So besides the quality of the leather, like I said, it's not bad at all. Off the rip, I can see that the toe box is more narrow. That honestly, I like that 100% more than the old silhouette. I like the narrow toe box. I really like that. Second thing that I can tell off the rip, the tongue is not as long as the old silhouette. That I also love that, because I can't stand long tongues. Unless it's one of those baddies or something like that. That's a whole different story. Let's get to the point. Let's get to the point. And with that also comes the ankle area, ankle spot, whatever the hell you guys want to call it. That is also a little bit more narrow. It's not as thick. It's not as spongy. I personally like that a lot. I like narrow shoes. Narrow, straight, bam. So getting back into the sneaker, the elephant print is kind of light. Yes, it is a little light. Some people are complaining that it's not so pronounced into the leather. We'll get into all these details towards the end of the video so you guys can get a little bit of that info that people like to criticize so much. Slowly but surely, these people are losing their touch when it comes to these sneakers. Oh, I'm sorry. Half of them were not even born when Jordan played his last game. Gotta be going to a second brain called Google. That's why I take half of these reviewers out there and don't even pay attention to them. But the credibility is on the drain. Let's get back into it before I do another 10-minute rant over here. The whole midsole in that pure white, and on the mid half of the sneaker, it goes into that nice matte satin type of black. Really nice. The air bubble inside in white. That I forgot to mention something else, guys, when it came to the elephant print. It is pretty good quality nubuck, I'm not gonna lie about that. It feels good in the hand, it's nice and clean, and it looks sharp. We're gonna get into the whole quality control thing now in just a second, because yes, there is a couple of little things that I saw off the rip. Going into the bottom of the sneaker, the gray right there surrounding that whole sole. The red right in the top of the toe box. A nice pure white red in the middle with the Nike OG logo in red. It has that nice perforated gray leather all the way through the top. Very good quality also. And I give you so much, and I give you so much on that, but it is very nice to the touch, no lie. With the OG colorway laces, with of course the nice little red right there and the shoelace holders. Yes, I'm always messing up on that one, guys. The shoelace holders, the shoelace holes. You know what I mean? It just has holes all over the place. You know, it gets a little confusing. There's holes all over this top right here. A lot of perforation, if you the inside of the sneaker, guys, with that red insole with the OG Nike logo. Of course, the back, the Nike logo, that Nike Air OG style. That, man, that is to me a thing of beauty. There's nothing that I love the most though when I see a retro with the OG logos on it. I'm telling you, I love the OG logos on it. It throws me back to that time. So yes, there you have it. That's the whole silhouette when it comes to the leather, when it comes to the whole shebang. Now we're gonna talk about quality control. You could see a little bit of the glue mark all around the sneaker. Not something to go ballistic on. The grand majority of all Jordans have that little glue mark right there. That I was actually very impressed when it came to the black toes, that I didn't really see a lot of glue marks on it. That's actually a rare thing on the Jordan 1. But not to exaggerate on this one either. You gotta put your eye on it. You know how people are. Bro, the quality control. I'm telling you, bro, there's so many little butthurt people out there always talking about everything bothers them. Bro, honestly, why don't you just shut the fuck up and enjoy the sneaker? I just don't understand what is so hard about doing it. Back in the days, nobody looked at anything. Jordan could have had the fingers, you know, the fingers on the Jordan, could have had a nub and nobody complained. No, it's nowadays. Oh, cause the glue. Man, I should get the shoe and just slap you with it. And there I go again on a rant. Let's get back to the shoes. So the cut is not that bad, guys. You're not horribly cut. If I could see one little detail that actually both shoes have is right in the inside, right here in the elephant print. It has like a little nick inside of the leather. I can actually see that. Once again, bro, let's be realistic. Who the hell's looking at this? Oh my God, look at the little nook. This sneaker right here, unless it has a chunk missing off the toe box or something like that, they're perfect to me. I was about to go to round 3 on that one. Yes, because round 1 and 2 were already passed. I was about to hit round 3. I was almost. Let me get back to the shoes. The quality's good on everything, guys. It's very good quality. Like I said, it's not the most premium leather or the most plush leather or something like that. No, guys, it's good quality. It's not bad. Would I pay the actual $220 or whatever the hell they cost? Gladly. gladly I will pay for it. No problem whatsoever. I think the sneaker is great. But of course, I could just stay right here and put a thumbnail right at the top that says quality control is horrible. Play along with every other reviewer just to get your views. But guys, I'm very honest with you. I don't care about that. I'm gonna tell you my sincere, honest opinion. Same way that the grand majority of these reviewers talk about the same sneaker for 2-3 weeks in a row and they do a gazillion videos just to squeeze out the audience. That's not what I'm here for, guys. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I really don't give a shit. I want the true sneaker enthusiasts to follow this channel. Not the little hypebeasts, not the people that want to just keep getting trolled all day by these reviewers. I'm bringing the difference. I ain't with them little jokes that these people are playing around with. So is the sneaker bad quality? Not one bit. That's a complete lie of anybody that says that. Because somebody have gotten a bad quality one, probably past quality control or something like that, and it's all beat up and has boogers and shit on it. Well, maybe it did. It happens, guys. But at least this pair that I got in my hands and a pair of one of my good friends, Isaac, that actually got them, they look perfect. No problem whatsoever. It's good quality. It's a beautiful, legendary sneaker. Don't hesitate to buy them. Don't guide yourself by these reviewers that all they care is about getting your views, lying to the people. No, the sneaker is amazing. It gets a 100% you. Cop yourself a pair of these, guys. Go get them. The prices are going crackhead. Check out the prices. Check out the prices. Look at that. You can't complain, guys. I'm telling you, you'll spend more in a strip club if you go over there in the wrong day. Trust me, take it from me. Till next time, everybody, I'm always wishing you the best, and I love you all. Peace!